This video will present the installation and operation methods of a 300K industry frequency UPS for you. The entire system consists of 4 parts: power grid, load, battery, UPS. Step 1. Wiring. Each hole corresponds to 1 wire. Connect the wires in sequence as indicated. All done. Step 2. Check voltage. Turn on the power grid switch. Measure the mains voltage. Measure the battery voltage. Step 3. Startup procedure. After confirming the voltage is normal, turn on the bypass switch. At this point, the screen lights up. Enter the startup password to start the machine. Check the parameters of each module in bypass mode. Click the On button at the bottom left corner of the screen to turn on the device. Turn on the main input switch. Turn on the device and check the parameters of each module. Turn on the output switch. Turn on the battery switch. Step 4. Shutdown procedure. Click the off button at the lower right corner of the screen. After the UPS shuts down, turn off the input switch, bypass switch, output switch, and battery switch.